Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kelsey. I'm currently in Spain right now and I'm out on a balcony, so sorry if it's a little bit loud. I thought that it would be fun for me to film like a little get ready with me while I'm here in Spain. Today's our second day here. We just got here yesterday. It is so hot here. Like I was gonna try to wear like something cute for the video, but it's so hot. I thought I would do like a little chit chat. There's a motorcycle. Chit chat, get ready with me. I already moisturized my face this morning, but I'm gonna put on some La Mer eye cream. I actually woke up like less than 30 minutes ago, so where I am. This is where I am. But all those balconies and windows you just saw, like have people in them. Like everybody sits out on their balconies to drink their coffee, which is super cute, but they're kind of all watching me. Update, guy in the motorcycle is cute. I'm gonna put on my tinted moisturizer. We are in Spain for my mom's birthday, actually. This is where she wanted to go for her birthday, so we're here kind of celebrating that. It's not her birthday yet though. Today's plans are basically, one, we wanted to go shopping. I'm going to try to buy her a birthday present today. Concealer next. So yeah, we're all like slightly sick. We kind of feel like we have like really like little lame colds. Like it's not like full on cold, but it's like almost like a cold. It's not too insanely bad, but why are there so many helicopters? Okay. Next I'm gonna bronze. I leave this on while I bronze. It helps me to like keep it sharp. Actually, fun fact, I went to where they filmed the Cheetah Girls movie, if anybody wanted to know. And like when I was like back home, when I was telling people I was going to Barcelona, that was like the first thing people would say to me was like, oh my god, the Cheetah Girls movie. To be honest, I wasn't that big of a Cheetah Girls fan when I was little, so I only ever watched the movie once, and I haven't seen it since I was like 13, so I didn't remember too much of it when I came here. I wanted to watch it, but they took it off Netflix. But yeah, so I kind of remember like a little bit of it, but I remember like this one main scene, and we went to that street where they filmed it, and it was really cool just kind of like remembering what the movie looked like and then like seeing it here. We're doing highlighter. So yeah, so I'm uploading a video right now. It's not up yet. I'm probably gonna like stop this and go like post it in like 10 minutes. But basically I filmed it in the 2 hours before we came to the airport, and then I edited it on the plane, and they didn't have like the regular like 2-prong plugs. They only had USBs, so my laptop died while it was trying to save, so it never saved. And like normally there's like always like a backup copy. But yeah, so basically I had to re-edit the video from scratch. So I had to re-edit it last night, and then I made the thumbnail last night, and then I'm filming this for this Friday. So the video I'm talking about is the one that was just my last video. Next step, a little bit of blush. I have the Chanel stick blush. This is my favorite way to use blush because it looks really natural. I just like smile and stab myself in the face with it. Gonna do my eyebrows now. I don't really think I want to do too much makeup today just because it's like hot, so I'm gonna be sweating it off. I'm not gonna do like full glam. I'm just gonna do like a really natural look. Gotta shake this one. Face is done, so we gotta spray it. Got a mini baby little Mario Badescu. Eyes, okay. Mascara, this is the one I'm using right now. It's the Roller Lash, my current favorite. I normally wear it in brown because it looks more natural, but I just decided to bring the black one. I don't know why. I'm probably not gonna do any other eye makeup but mascara. That's typically what I just do every day, or sometimes I don't even wear mascara. They're setting out, there's like a little coffee shop, I don't know if you can see. They're setting out tables right there so that people can sit and drink their coffee. My dad. Hi Dad. By the way, this is a little Charlotte Tilbury palette that I'm using. Okay, there we go. That looks good. And then, like my bag is such a mess. I need, oh, I didn't even set my face. Oh, good job, Kelsey. Got the Lara out. Here we go. I don't have a mirror, I can't see. That's working, kind of, I think. I don't know. Put a little bit of chapstick on. Oh. Okay, girl. I'm using this Lancome lip gloss. This has been my favorite lip colors to use recently. They're the, oh, that is French. I don't know how to say that. It's in the shade 236, but this is what the bottle looks like. Everybody always asks me, like, about my lip colors, and this is what I've been using for, like, the past month consecutively straight. This is what I've been using. One more round of this. There we go. I also have to do my hair, but I kind of don't feel like doing my hair. I just kind of wore my hair in a messy bun yesterday like this, so I don't want to do that again. But I also don't want to do my hair, so I might just...
So much for not wanting to do my hair. I actually ended up putting in my extensions and straightening them. I mean, I know I was going to be taking pictures that day, so I was like, might as well do something fun with it.
I put in my extensions just because my hair, I don't know, I just wanted something special today. So I just put them in, straightened it because my curler's not working for some reason, and then I got electrocuted by the straightener. I don't know if you can see there. Straightened it, extensions, very simple. I'll show you my outfit downstairs. I'll have my mom get a little thing of me twirling.
For my outfit details, I'm wearing my Dior little bralette crop top with these diesel jeans. I actually got them at Nordstrom, and my little white Dior sneakers I wear so much because I love them to death, and my black Chanel vintage bag.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this little Spain get ready with me. I kind of want to do these every single time I travel. I think that would be like a cool idea, like a get ready with me everywhere I go. If you like these videos and want to see that, let me know. Give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and every Friday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.